my friends, and welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna customize face mask. You know, we live in these times when we all have to wear such masks when we go outside, and I think we need to learn how to wear them because humanity might face such situations with viruses in the future as well. So I had this mask in my home, but it's just so depressive. I feel so sad when I'm wearing it. And I'm sure people who see me wearing this mask, they feel sad as well. So I want to add a bit color to it. I want to make it a bit more positive. I want to make people smile when they see me wearing this mask. Yeah, I want to add a bit positivity to these sad days. And this doll is gonna help me to customize this mask. So let's get started. This doll is kind of a helper of my channel. I've already used it to paint on the beanie, and maybe I will use it to paint on the socks. And here is inspiration for the design. I want to create a floral design, but I want to make it colorful, so I'm gonna paint rainbow rose. And first I'm gonna sketch rose with white fabric paint. You can use transfer paper to transfer any image from paper to fabric, but I, as always, paint freehand. And I create an undercoat, which is very important when you paint on black fabric. Drying undercoat with hair dryer. And here are the colors which I'm gonna use, and also I'm gonna use neon colors, and more information about neon colors you can find in the video. I will put a link in the card and also in the description below. And first I paint petals with the main colors with yellow, blue, orange, red and so on. And again I dry this layer of paint, and I put second layer of paint where I think it's necessary to make colors more vivid. And now I'm transforming these 2D rows into 3D rows, painting shadows and highlights. And now when painting of rose is finished, I'm gonna add a couple of strokes to make this design even more colorful. Also, I use outliners to create volumetric lines. splattering paint. Cleaning my helper. And also I decided to add a couple of petals on the sides. And painting is finished. Guys, face masks are the trendiest accessories right now, unfortunately. And don't know, is it right to capitalize this trend? I know that many brands are selling fashionable masks for a ridiculous amount of money. And I wouldn't accept custom orders for such masks. It just sounds a bit strange for me. But I encourage you to paint on your masks. Even a couple of strokes would be enough. You know, there's a quote, art can save the world. Of course, art can't save us from viruses, but it can save us from bad mood. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and if you are new here, and I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.